Hello everyone, I am Miss Pooja Hiranwar and today we will deal with the lesson Tropical and Subtropical Region. Tropical and Subtropical Regions. In this, we will deal with two types of basins, Amazon Basin and the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. First, let us have a look at the Amazon Basin. Amazon Basin is located between 10° north and 10° south of the equator. It is referred to as the equatorial region. Originates in the Alps mountains in Peru and drains into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon River, with its tributaries, forms the largest river basin in the world. It drains most parts of Brazil and parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela. Let us have a look at the climatic conditions there. It experiences hot and wet climate conditions throughout the year. Daytime, the temperature is very high due to direct sunlight. Nights are comparatively cooler, but humidity remains high. Temperature varies between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall of conventional type occurs mostly in the afternoon, so it's often referred to as 4 o'clock rain. Now, let us have a look at the natural vegetation and wildlife. The Amazon forest are the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The dense evergreen equatorial forest are also known as selvas. These rainforests are also referred to as the lungs of the earth. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by Amazon. It is home to an incredible range of faunal and floral species. Due to the canopies present in the forest, the sunlight cannot reach the forest floor, which results in making the floor dense. The soil found here is infertile. Now, let us have a look at the life of the people. Home to various tribal groups such as Yanomami, Tiknu, and Akuntsu. Tribal people practice hunting, gathering, and fishing. Shifting agriculture and slash and burn agriculture is also practiced here. Manioc, yam, beans, banana, pineapple, and sweet potato are the commonly grown crops. Besides, various tubers, meat, fish, berries, and nuts are staple food of people living there. People living in Amazon basin are fond of eating queen ants, egg sacs, turtle eggs, and flesh of monkey and turtles. In many parts of the Amazon basin, plantations have been set up where cocoa, coffee, and nuts are grown on a commercial scale. Amazon basin is rich in mineral deposits as iron ore, gold, tin, copper, manganese, and bauxite. Thus, mining is also emerging as an important industry in this region. People in this region live in huts with thatched roofs, which are shaped like beehives. Houses are built on stilts to protect from flooding. Some tribal people live in apartment-like houses called malkos that have steep slanting roofs to allow smooth flow of rainwater. Locally available material like wood, mud, clay are used for construction of the houses. Let us have a look at the transport and cities in Amazon. Due to presence of dense forest and swamps, it is difficult to build road and rail network in the region. Rivers are the most vital mode of transportation. In 1970, the Trans-Amazon Highway made all parts of the rainforest accessible. There are few big cities in the region that serve as market centers for the surrounding areas. Manaus, a major rubber collecting center, has an international airport. Now, let us have a look at the Ganga Brahmaputri Basin. It is one of the largest river basins in the world. It lies in the subtropical zone between 10° north and 30° latitude. They lie to the south of Himalayas. The basin includes the plain of Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers, the foothills of the Himalayas and the Sundarban Delta. The Brahmaputra river originates from Chemayudang Glacier near Mansarovar in Tibet. Here it is known as Tangpo. Before flowing into the Bay of Bengal in Bangladesh, the Brahmaputra meets the Ganga to form the Sundarban Delta, the largest and the most fertile delta in the world. Let us have a look at the natural vegetation and wildlife of Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. It comprises of tropical deciduous forests such as teak, sal, magus, bamboo, etc. In higher altitudes such as Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim, coniferous varieties are also found. The deltaic regions like the Sundarban are covered with mangrove forests, which can survive both in salty and fresh water. Sundarban are the largest mangrove forest in the world. The mangrove trees in these regions have adapted themselves to survive in the saltwater areas. Life of the people in Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. A considerable percentage of population lives in Ganga Brahmaputra region. In rural settlements, which have developed along the numerous tributaries of these two rivers. It is home to many tribal groups like Bhils, Ahoms, Santals. Agriculture is the main occupation due to favorable climatic conditions. The main crop grown over there is paddy, rice, millet, oil seeds, wheat, pulses, maize, sugar cane are the other crops that are grown. Since the yield per acre is high, it has led to the establishment of several agro-based industries. Transport and cities in the Ganga Brahmaputra Basin is also very good. The flat plains have facilitated the development of good rail, road and air network. The rivers in this region are also navigable. Kolkata is an important port on the river Hooghly. So this was all that we saw about the lesson tropical and subtropical region. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session.